If the Kuki militants further attack the people of the state, then what kind of force action should be taken immediately? And this had to be given in written statement. And I put it on the but of course, in the immediate if this statement fails to act by the unified command in charge, then to declare to the Manipur of the people of Manipur to face the situation by our own people and release the duties of central forces and let them stay in their own camp. This is a written statement that you have given. Firstly, option A, then if this two demands fail to act up by the in charge of unified command, then he must step back and go from his step after relieving from his duty haiba. Adalida mana pirapa ma written statement the magi like the PP din haiba. Alna pibang amon haiba. Written statement is pibang amon. Aduga last point is that akoina thumjagiba ani si yadragadi magi position thadu maga chakki haiba se sidai mana aidi anytime chat haiba matam chat pangam di haiba. Chat pangam sigi declaration ja magi position gi pothau natraga ma handu haiba se akodi governor na state governor ga CM ga na haiba jam ne haba moina haya ga ya haiba aduga power se mangonda laise advisor oina laibane ba magi advisor oina laibane na mana tambiri eba aduga power di
Chiên cái nào không gì đây nó chiên được bao lên này mà giờ xin việc đây mà em mà nó có cái văn nào ấy tới không được tôi
any kind of
bột cơm này
whole sort of project
mà chia tiền cái gì rồi Masih sih tadi apa? Saya tahu itu masih ada tadi apa ya? Itu tahu tadi. Mana wasa itu ada wasa itu. Ngayon kita dengan WhatsApp tenang tahu dengan. Tahunya yang semua.
Any public
Public ko ini ya sopa.
mayam ga punna